Math 3 Final Benchmark, question 26. Which expression is equivalent to 8 times 25 raised to the 4x power? So if we look at these, we see that the first two have 8 at the front, and these have 40, and all of them have a 5 here. So let's look at what we're given, and let's see if we can rewrite 25 in a different form where we can write it as 5. So 25 is the same as 5 squared. Now we already have 4x power here, so we can't change the problem. We're just trying to rewrite the problem. So all we did was rewrite 25 as 5 squared. Now if you look over here, you'll see that that is not one of our answers, but when you have a power to a power, you can multiply. So 8 times 5, 2 times 4x becomes 8x, and that is answer A. So for number 26, using properties of exponents, we found that the correct answer is A.